Alright, so here we go. 8.7 quads and their areas, quadrilaterals and their areas. Here are some examples. Level 1 type of examples. So let's go ahead and try this one out. Alright, thank you. So we're going to classify. Let's take a look at this one here. So if I classify this, I have this shape. Looks like two lines here are parallel. These two sides are parallel, and all four sides are equal and are congruent. So 4 equal sides plus the fact that it's a parallelogram means that it is a rhombus. It is a rhombus. Okay, so you can look at your definitions for that, and that should be the case. Now remember, this kind of stuff can be on the left-hand side of your notes. All right, let's take a look at this next one here. All right, so you might have already seen what it is. Look, it's a parallelogram. All four sides, these two are parallel, these two are parallel. They have 4 equal sides. That's what those little congruent lines tell you. And they all have 4 right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles. So these 3 things together makes it a square. So that's the square there. All right, moving on. How about find the value of x? So we talked about how many degrees are in a quadrilateral. We know that here's a quadrilateral. It actually looks like a, we don't know for sure, but it looks like a trapezoid. We know that the sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Therefore, that must mean that all 4 of these added together should give me 360. So if I add them together, 51 plus 129 plus 129 is 309 plus my x. I can subtract 309 to both sides to find out my missing part, which is 51 degrees. All right, so that would have to be 51 degrees. All right, cool. Here's some guided practice problems you can try on your own. All right, classify these, pause the video, classify them, see what you get. All right, so if you're done, you're coming back to us and you have classified those shapes, we're going to go and check to see whether you got it right or not. So this first one here is called a trapezoid. Trapezoid because it's got 2 parallel lines, and that's all it tells us. Okay. This next one, it's got 4 congruent sides, and these 2 are parallel. So it's not only a parallelogram, but it is a rhombus because all 4 sides are congruent. Okay, rhombus and trapezoid. Last but not least, find the missing angle. Well, this is a 4-sided shape, quadrilateral. So I know that it's going to equal 360 degrees total. This little thing signifies 90 degrees. This little thing also signifies 90 degrees. Over here, they told us this was 115 degrees. And then the x is what I don't know. So I'm going to add this stuff together. I'm going to use my calculator. So 180, which is 90 plus 90, plus 115 is going to give me 295. So 295 plus x equals 360. And if I want to get x by itself, I have to subtract 295 on both sides. Now, I don't need a calculator for this. I know that's going to be 65. And so that is my answer. 65 degrees is the missing angle measurement there. All right. I'll have one more video for you, help you out.